In today's video, I'm going to teach you predicting capacity in ClickUp using workload views. We'll walk through how to turn on the right features, set up time estimates, apply them to tasks, and visualize capacity using workload views and a dashboard. This setup helps you see who's at risk of overload and where you have room to take on more work. Start in your ClickUp workspace and open your settings. In the ClickApps section, enable time and capacity. Turning this on is what powers capacity calculations behind the scenes. Things like workload bars, availability, and scheduling clarity. Right after that, in the same ClickApps area, enable time estimates. This tells ClickUp how to interpret time across your workspace so it can compare estimates to available hours. Set your hours per day to match your team's real workday. Many teams use 8 hours, but adjust it to reflect your actual capacity. You can choose whether estimates display in hours or days. Hours give you precision for smaller tasks. Days can be helpful when you plan larger deliverables. This configuration is crucial because the workload capacity bars rely entirely on those estimates to gauge whether someone is under, at, or over capacity. Now apply those settings to real work. Open a list or folder with your tasks, click into a task, assign it to the right team member, and add a time estimate. Do this for each task you want included in capacity planning. Consistency matters here. Use the same units throughout, and be realistic about how long things actually take. You can always refine estimates later as you collect better data, but starting with thoughtful numbers will make your forecast far more reliable. With assignees and estimates in place, open the workload view from your list or folder. Choose View, select Add View, pick Workload, and add it. You'll see capacity bars for each person based on the hours per day you set. Green indicates they're within capacity. Red signals overload. These bars represent the total of all assigned task estimates compared to each person's available hours for that day or week. Use this visual to spot bottlenecks, rebalance assignments, and prevent burnout before it happens. If you want a highly shareable snapshot, build a dashboard. Go to Dashboards, create a new one, add a workload widget, and select the same list or folder. This aggregates capacity across your team and makes it easy to review in meetings or share with stakeholders.